babies come from?
Well, there's a planet. It's called Babylandia. It's filled with babies. Babies of all kinds. Every day they gather for a space launch. They wave goodbye, and then they board these big rocket ships, right? And they shoot off deep into space, and they penetrate the atmosphere. And then they're released all over the place. After a 9-month journey, they find their mommies and daddies. And that, son, is where babies come from.
But Jake said babies are made when mommies and daddies...
Hugo, play with us on the bus.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus